Hello guys, TBT Watches is here. Today we are going to show you how to change a battery on this Elini watch. Elini Barokas watch. Elini Barokas Fortitudo, model number 112000100 101. In order to open and change the battery on this watch, we need to untwist the back of the watch, and that's how it goes. You need to machine something like this to open the back of the watch. And then what you will need to do is to find the battery 395. There's a small screw here. We'll need to loosen that up with a real tiny screwdriver, flathead.